Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at NancyRoseWashington.com, an online store that claims to sell fashion and lifestyle products inspired by the cute story of two sisters, Nancy and Rose. But before you get your credit card out, let's see if this store is actually legit or just another digital fairy tale. The first red flag is the heartwarming story of these two sisters. The website proudly displays their photos as the brand's inspiration, but a quick check reveals they are actually AI-generated. Nothing builds consumer confidence quite like a founder who doesn't actually have a pulse. If a store is using fake faces to manufacture trust, you can bet the rest of their story is just as imaginary. The second concern is their bold claim of celebrating a 19th anniversary. That sounds impressive until you look at the domain details, which show the site was only created in October 2025. Apparently, these sisters have mastered time travel along with fashion design. Celebrating nearly 2 decades of business when your website is only a few weeks old is a special kind of math only scammers understand. Next up are the massive discounts, with the site offering up to 80% off and claiming their anniversary sale ends today. This high-pressure urgency is a classic tactic used to make you stop thinking and start clicking. It's the digital equivalent of a going out of business sign that stays in the window for 10 years. Then we have the product photos, which are entirely unoriginal and copied from other corners of the internet. When a store has 0 original images, it usually means they don't actually own the inventory and probably won't be shipping you anything at all. Real businesses generally prefer to take photos of products they actually possess, but I suppose that's too much effort for a ghost store. Their contact details are equally sketchy, offering only a single email address with no phone number, physical address, or live chat. It's a great setup if you enjoy shouting into a digital void when your order never arrives. Finally, we checked for reviews on platforms like Trustpilot and found absolutely nothing. For a brand that's allegedly been around for 19 years, they've managed to remain impressively invisible to the entire human population. When you add up the AI-generated founders, the fake history, the stolen photos, and the lack of contact info, it's clear that NancyRoseWashington.com is about as real as a $3 bill. It is much safer to keep your money and avoid this site entirely. Thanks for watching till the end.